This is problem number 3 from the Chapter 8 closure problems. Use the graph at right to answer the questions below. So A says write an equation for each girl's line. So this, since these are straight lines, these are both going to be in the form y equals mx plus b. So we can see where each girl starts. Our starting points are here and here. So those are going to be our b's. We need to find the slopes. So this graph is kind of weird. Each of these lines here goes by half, and each of these goes by threes. So for Fang, I'm going to pick this spot, and where's another one? Right here. So I'm going to do rise over run. So she rises 12, and her run, so 2 is here, is 3. Okay, so Fang's slope is 12 over 3, and that also reduces to 4. So we can write Fang's equation. So she's going to be y equals, her slope is 4, then x, and her starting point, we can see she starts at 0. So you can put plus 0, or you can just leave it as 4x. Next we need is y. Okay, so y, it looks like she's starting at negative 12. So I'm going to pick that point as well as this one. We're going to do rise over run. So she rises 12 also, except her run is a little bit shorter. She only goes 2. So her slope is 12 over 2, which reduces to 6. So her equation is going to be y equals 6x. And then we said her starting point was negative 12, her y-intercept. So 6x minus 12. B says interpret the slope of each girl in context. So what that means is what exactly do these labels here mean? So miles and hours. So we need to relate this 4 and 6 to miles and hours. So for Fang, so she's riding, I don't know if she's riding a bike or running. Fang is going, so her slope was 4, so that means she goes up 4 miles and over 1 hour. So she's going 4 miles every 1 hour, so you could put 4 miles per hour or 4 miles every hour. And also very similar for way, only she's just going to have a different number. So her slope was 6, so she's going up 6 over 1. So we can say way is going 6 miles per hour, or I'm going to write every hour. So that is every 1 hour.